common misunderstanding about AI is that it's a simple replacement for a human. It's not. It's different, and you need to build systems in light of that difference. I think there's a misconception that all businesses are going to solve the same problems with AI. That's not the reality. The reality is that AI, when used to its best usage, is going to differ from company to company. And so what we're looking to do with this program is give you the set of tools to understand, hey, how do we create transformative value in our business? And then figure out how to best apply AI to achieve that.
So something that I think people are misunderstanding about AI is what it will take to use it well. There's this idea that if I can just figure out the one thing to do with AI, if I can just figure out this one way, this one prompt, then I'll have the answer and I'll be done and I'll be okay. Well, the reality is AI is rich and multifaceted, and it cannot be pinned down to one answer. You need to learn it in all of its nuances and be ready to change your approach and shift based on the setting, based on the tool, based on what you're trying to accomplish. So this is not a one answer. This is a let's embed this in everything we're trying to do and come up with the right approach for that setting with AI.
AI is not this one size fits all, one system to solve all problems. For each business problem, each super narrow business problem, from I need to be ready for meetings faster, or we need to redesign our sales management system. Each one of these, big or small, requires its own very specific AI solution. It's not one size fits all.